Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change keyboard background with your photo on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing the keyboard background with your photo adds an element of fun and creativity to your device. It gives you the opportunity to experiment with different image, colors, and design to create a unique and visually appealing keyboard layout. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to customize your keyboard theme with your own photo, begin by installing the Gboard app from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, access the settings on your device. Scroll down and select the General Management option. Within this menu, locate the keyboard list and default settings and enable the Gboard app by toggling the switch to the on position, like this. Okay, next, navigate to the default keyboard section and set Gboard as your default keyboard. Once this setup is successfully completed, display your keyboard and tap on the theme icon at the top of the keyboard interface. Okay, click on the plus icon to add your own picture as the keyboard theme. Adjust the size of your picture to fit the keyboard layout. Then proceed by clicking next. Okay, and then fine-tune the brightness settings as desired. When finished, click Done. And within this customization page, you have the option to activate keyboarders or leave them off. Finally, click on Apply to apply your personalized photo theme to Gboard keyboard. This process allows you to create a unique and personalized keyboard theme using your own image. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change keyboard background with your photo on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.